Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the present continuous tense, one of the most useful tenses in English. So let's get started. First, let's understand what is continuous means. Continuous means something is happening right now. It is not finished yet. ඒ කියන්නේ continuous කියන්නේ අපි තාම ඒක වෙමින් පවතින දෙයක්. It's not finished yet. ඒක තාම ඉවර වෙලා නැහැ. You can see the formula is subject plus be verb plus verb එකේ ing form එක. හරිද? We use present continuous tense in three situations. The first one is actions happening right now. For an example, I am teaching now. දැන් මම එක කරන දෙයක්නේ. It is happening at this moment. Number 2, temporary actions. තාවකාලික ක්‍රියා. For an example, I am living in Koswatta. It is happening now but not permanently. Number 3, future arrangements. For an example, I am doing my A-levels in 2025. It's planned and arranged for the future. ඒක තාම වෙලා නැහැ. ඒක 2025 කියන year එකේදී තමයි වෙන්නේ. We need three things. Subject, am is are, ඒ කියන්නේ අපි be verbs කිව්වා. Verb එකේ ing form එක. Okay. Now let's make 6 types of sentences. Our example is we are playing cricket. Then look at the positive sentence, how to make the positive one. Positive is the simplest. We are playing cricket. We is the subject, are is the be verb, and playing is the verb of this situation. It's very easy. Negative sentence. Add not after the be verb. We are not playing cricket. Also, we can say as the short form, we aren't playing cricket. Yes, no question. Move the be verb to the front. අපි be verb එක front එකට ගන්නවා. Are we playing cricket? Answer is yes, we are. Or we can say no, we aren't. Negative question. Use the negative be verb at the front. Aren't we playing cricket? Use this when you are surprised or confirming. කියන්නේ අපි මේක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ surprise or confirming වගේ situation එකදී confirm කරගන්න ඕනේ වෙන අවස්ථාවකදී. Then move to the WH questions. You already know WH questions. Question words: when, why, what, where, likewise. Put the WH word first, then be verb, then subject. What are we playing? More examples. Think. Where are you going? Why is she crying? Why is he putting? Likewise. Then tag questions. Then අපි tag questions වලදී මගේ කලින් videos වලදී මම tag questions හදන හැටි කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. I taught you how to make the tag questions in my previous video lessons. So it is very easy. Positive sentence, negative tag. We are playing cricket, aren't we? We are playing cricket කියන්නේ මෙතනදී positive sentence එක. එහෙනම් අපි tag question එක විදිහට negative වලින් තමයි අහන්නේ aren't we. Negative sentence positive tag. We are not playing cricket. Are we? Always use the same be verb in the tag. Then this is the complete summary of our lesson. Present continuous tense. Positive subject plus are plus verb ing form එක. We are playing cricket example. Negative subject plus are plus not verb plus ing. For an example, we are not playing cricket. Yes, no question. Are plus subject plus verb ing form එක. Are we playing cricket? Negative questions aren't plus subject plus verb ing form එක. Aren't we playing cricket? WH question WH plus R plus subject plus verb ing form එක. What are we playing? Then the tag questions positive and the negative. Okay, this is the complete present continuous tense. Practice this every day so you can learn these things very easy. If this lesson helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Write your own present continuous sentence in the comment sections. I'll read them all. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.